what actually data science is now. So when you consider the general, I've took this image from Google saying that generally we find the data science expertise with a combination of math, computer, and domain expertise. Right? Those who are a pretty good statisticians or maths, and they have prior knowledge of computer software related stuff and a pretty good domain expertise, they can be a better scientist and all. So we can assure that, right? Data science is the process of extracting meaningful information from a given data. It can be a raw data, which can be structured or unstructured format. Agree? So the structured format can be your relational database, your SQL Server, whatever, right? RDBMS systems are there, and the unstructured format can be your MongoDB, your the you don't follow any primary key or foreign key relationship stuffs there, and you don't follow any structure wherein null values are there or not. You just dump in the data using MongoDB or Firebase or CouchDB, and all those things are there, right? If you list the unstructured format data, so those things are there. If you want to extract the meaningful information from those, you can do the using data science. That is what the thing is. Data science talks about. What data science is not. It's not a piece of software where you deliver a task or solves a business problem using web or something like that. It's not that. It's a business critical problem solving using the predictive analytics or classification or regression stuff. It's not more about visualization. It's more about building the models, right? So probably you can consider the academics research. It is more of business, providing business solutions to the let's say Walmart or to computer vision areas and all those things. This is what we can think of data science, right? These are the stuffs. So we looked into the data science, what things actually are. It does. We draw the insights from a given data. Now we'll move on to the roles, various roles available in data science, so that we get a clear roadmap and what things we want to do achieve while understanding the data science, right? So there are various roles when you go in the data science domain. More of them are data engineering, data analyst role, and data scientist role, right? What actually a data scientist is, or we'll talk about a data analyst, right? Data analyst, his job is to just do some of the data understanding. He should be more expertise in your domain knowledge and some of the tools such as Tableau, QuickView, or Advanced Excel, or say MSBI, Power MSBI, all such stuffs which we can do some reporting are being done by the role of data analyst. Big data engineer are more towards managing the clusters, managing the huge data which comes in, right? So those are the roles of data engineer. Let's say for an example, uh, when we say big data is the data storage comes to in the range of petabytes or more than that, right? The SQL Server can easily manage hundreds of GB of data on your database and do proper. If you provide proper data indexes and all those things, retrieval rate would be easy. But then when it comes to more huge data, it would deteriorate its performance, right? So at that point of time, you need a huge data to be managed, should be there in the Hadoop clusters. All such things will be there. So those area big data engineer can manage this. When the organization grows more than terabytes of data, we have generated more than terabytes of data. Let's say for an example, we consider example of Facebook, where what we are doing is we just want to increase, let's say on 15th August, people took snaps and they want to upload on their respective profile, Facebook profile. What they do, add a, big data is more of like three words. I'll just put it on a notepad. That would be better. Three V's, which talks about big data. V for volume of data. Another is velocity with which the data comes in. Variety of data, probably. So these things are more here, right? The three V's which talks about the big data is your volume, velocity, and variety of data. Volume is the one, it tends to be more than terabyte, gigabyte, zettabyte, all those things. So let's say for an example of Facebook, at let's say you're on 15th August, you wake up and you went for a flag hosting and all those stuff, and you want to upload that photos onto Facebook. At that point of time, each person, let's say 10% of the Indian population has wake up and they want to upload their videos or pics or those into the Facebook, right? What they do, they take picture. Each image would be of 1 MB size. 1 MB into, let's say, 10,000 people or 1 lakh people are doing that, right? It tends out to be 1 TB or something more than that, right? 100 GB or something. The volume is just merely need to manage that, right? The incoming volume of data. It is just the images. If someone has took the videos, it would be more than that. Just consider the volume there, the intention, and the velocity with which it comes. Probably within 2 hours or 3 hours, people will upload those photos into their respective profile within 2 hours, right? The velocity with which the data is coming, it is not just sticking to one day. The velocity of Facebook profile data has been increasing day by day, right? That is the short duration of velocity which I talked about for Facebook. And the variety of data is the data can be in comment format, it can be in GIF format, it can be a video or audio, all such things are the variety of data. Get it? So whenever someone asks you what is big data, you can just talk about it considering a use case. Either it can be your Amazon stuff or Facebook or something. You can quote it and say that this is how big data can be resolved and all those things, right? Got the intuitions? Any doubt? In terms of the variety, we can consider the video. Video is one sort of variety. Comment, the different format of data. So variety can be comments. One comment chain starts, it ends somewhere around 100 comments or 50 comments, something like that, right? The chain starts there. And images, videos, and some GIF formats, all such varieties, which are probably shared videos, all such varieties are of your data, or likes, all these things and all those things. All things are the variety of data. This is what it talks about the big data analytics stuff. Big data managing these stuff, right? So those people will do those activities. Coming on to the data science, people, those who work on creating the models, right? To solve a particular business problem, they use various algorithms and try to build a model to predict or to classify or to do some regression analysis. Those models will be built and evaluated and then being pushed into productions. Those are the roles of data scientists, right? Got the intuition and the understanding of various roles which people see in the market, current market, saying that this is hot, we can look for it, and all those things, right? So we'll be merely focusing on data science stuff, creating the machine learning algorithms. We should be aware of it, right? We are learning data science. We should be aware of other siblings of our job roles. Okay, that is where my intention of introducing you to data science.
I'm sure you enjoyed learning from this video. Please like the video, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, please comment us in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. do look out for other related videos in our playlist. For more information, visit our website now. Keep learning with Intellipaat.